Next question, question number 1B. Solve the following sub questions. See here, sir, students, here options are not given or choices are not given. There are 4 questions in this sub question and you have to solve all 4 questions. It carries 4 marks. That means 1 mark for each sub question. So, student, for 1 mark question, you have to use minimum 2 steps. Okay, minimum 2 steps for half a mark. Okay, so let us solve this question. Sub question number 1. Find the value of the determinant. Here determinant is given 7, 4, 2, 5. Okay, so let us find the value. So while solving this question, no need to write the question again. Just write down the sub question number and carry this determinant on your answer sheet. 7, 4, 2, 5. Okay, students, don't waste time to write all the questions as it is on the answer sheet. Okay, equal to. Now, as you know that how to find the value of determinant, we have to do cross multiplication. First cross multiplication, 7 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 5. Then minus sign. Then second cross multiplication, 2 multiplied by 4. So for this step you will get half mark. Okay. Now find the product. 7 5 the 35 minus 2 4 the 8. Now as it is 1 mark question, so for this step you will not get mark. Maybe. For this first step half mark is there. Then find the answer. 35 minus 8. 27. For this answer half mark. Understood how to solve this? Okay. Then sub question number 2. If A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 8 and C equal to 8, find the value of B square minus 4AC. Okay. So carry the values down. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 8, C equal to 8. Which value we have to find out? B square minus 4AC. Write down here. Equal to, now you have to substitute values. B is equal to minus 8. We have to make it square. B square. So minus 8 square. Minus sign 4 multiply by A. A is equal to 2. Multiply by C. C is equal to 8. So for this first step, half mark is given. Okay. Now make it square. Minus 8 square is plus 64. Okay. Minus. Multiply this. 4 to the 8. 8 8 the 64. So 64 minus 64, 0. So this is the answer. Okay, after completing the solution, student always write the final answer. As here 7, 4, 2, 5, the value of this determinant is 27. Highlight this answer. Okay. Now here B square minus 4AC, the value of this expression is 0. Highlight the answer. Followed. Next question number 3. What is the sum of first 10 terms of the AP if the first term is 1 and the last term is 90? Okay. Here for the AP, first term is given 1 and last term is given 19. and we have to find out the sum of first 10 terms. Okay. So while solving this, first write down which values are given in the question. For an AP, first term is given. A first term of the AP is written as A or T1. So here in this question we will use T1. So T1 is given 1. Second value, last term means the nth term. So Tn is given 19. Last term is nth term. Tn is equal to 19. And we have to find out the sum of first 10 terms. Means we have to find S10 is equal to question. Follow the question. Okay. See students, we have two formulas for Sn. First formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into t. And second formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket t1 plus tn. If you know the first term and the last term of the AP, you can use this formula. So for this formula, half mark is given. Okay. Now we have to find sum of 10 terms. So put n is equal to 10. So here we will get S10, 10 upon 2 into bracket T1 is 1 plus Tn is 90. Therefore, S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 divided 5 and 1 plus 19, 20. Therefore, S10 is equal to 20 multiplied by 5. 25 is 100. Okay, now write the answer in statement. Sum of first 10 terms. Therefore, sum of first 10 terms of given AP is 100. Follow this solution. So here maybe for formula half mark is given and for this answer half mark is given. Okay. Question number 4. Write the sample space S and the number of sample points n of S if 2 points are tossed simultaneously. Now here the random experiment is 2 points are tossed simultaneously. So while solving the solution here for probability type question, first write down the experiment which is given. So which experiment is given? 2 points are tossed simultaneously. So therefore sample space S is equal to curly bracket. This is set method. So sample space for 2 coins tossed. Either on both the coins you will get head HH, or on first coin H and second coin tail HT, or on first coin tail and second coin head TH, or on both the coin you will get tail. So HH, HT, TH, TT. This is the sample space for 2 coins are tossed simultaneously or one by one. For both the sample space is same. So for this sample space half mark is given. Then we have to write number of sample points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of sample points is 4. So for this sample space half mark, for this number of sample points half. Followed how to solve this 1 mark question.